Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy M23. In this video I'll show you how to add different types of cards to Google Pay. In the beginning, let's enter Google Pay app and tap the blue button at the bottom of the screen. Now focus on loyalty, gift card and public transport. Enter loyalty and select loyalty card you would like to add. Now you can scan your card or enter details manually. Go back, and now let's go to the gift card. Similar to loyalty card, select a shop, enter card number, PIN, balance, your notes and tap save. And the last card you can add is public transport. And if you are able to find your public transport selected, you'll be redirected to a website where you have to finish the inside form. All of your cards will appear right here. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.